We got a bunch of noise on here. I just heard something. Let's see what it looks like on here. About the same. I finally figured out how to kind of get it close. Just took a little bit of fiddling to get it kind of close. Boy, I don't know what the hell that noise is. It's fierce. So it's really cool that you can remote control this radio. You cannot do those with the yaesus without buying other stuff. Let's see here. Oh boy, it's already on. Yeah, this would be really cool if I could just change everything. But the audio is not going through. I don't know if it could be because I'm streaming or something. Okay, so now I'm connected over here too. So, but I'm not getting audio out of here. So here it is right here. We need to adjust this one a little bit better. It doesn't quite look like that one, but anyway, it's close enough. So, now you watch. I retuned it. See that? How cool is that? Radio's here, computer's here, another computer over here. So we'll get it, guys. We will get it. It's just gonna... It's not gonna be like, you know, wham bam. And I'm doing this without watching anybody else's video or anything like that. I always try and do it on my own first, and then when I can't figure it out, I start reading, and then I start watching other people's videos. And what I'm finding is the documentation on this seems to be a little bit older than this version I'm running. So that's part of the problem.